cargo hold. Sensors confirm. Smoke and rising temperature. I repeat, Captain, fire alarm activated in the cargo hold. Sensors confirm. Smoke and rising temperature.
Understood, press officer. Initiate emergency procedure. Over.
Hi, Captain. Activate spray system. Attention all crew, attention all crew. Fire detected in the cargo hold. Fire response team. Proceed immediately. All non-essential personnel must to master station. I repeat, attention all crew, attention all crew. Fire detected in the cargo hold. Fire response team proceed immediately. All non-essential personnel to master stations. Over.
I'll check the fire suppression systems, engaging carbon dioxide release in the affected section. Over.
Checking for source. Flames visible near stored cargo pallets.
Do not open the hold if CO2 is active. We risk refueling the fire. Confirm suppression status with the chief engineer. Over.
Okay. Carbon dioxide release complete. Monitoring temperature. The fire should be suffocating. Over.
Fire appears to be subsiding. Scanning for hotspots. Negative so far. Over. Fire extinguished. We need a full report on cargo damage and possible reignition risk. Over.
I'll inspect electrical and ventilation systems. Possible cause could be short circuit or overheating cargo.
Okay, ensure ventilation is restored safely. I'll inform HQ and log the incident. Over.
Preparing emergency report for transmission. Over.
Minor structural damage but no casualties. Over.
Okay, good work everyone. Maintain fire watch until further notice. Over.
The waves are getting stronger. We struggle to hold course. Over.
Maintain heading. Reduce speed if needed but keep control. Over.
From here, system stable but we're getting heavy vibrations. Over.
Could the storm be affecting the engines?
Possibly, engines are under strain. I'll monitor closely.
We've lost propulsion. I repeat, Captain, we have lost propulsion.
Chief engineer, report. Chief engineer, report. Over.
We've got a total engine failure. Fuel pressure dropping, and I see smoke from the main engine room.
Helm is unresponsive.
Sound general alarm. All hands on emergency stations. All hands on emergency stations. All hands on emergency stations. Over.
Toy sea anchors. We need to slow our drift.
Mayday, this is motor vessel Cloma. We have lost propulsion in heavy seas. Request immediate assistance. Over.
Inspecting the engine now. Possible clogged fuel lines or electrical failure. Attempting to restart. Over.
We need the engine back online fast. The storm is pushing us toward shallow waters. The storm is pushing us toward shallow waters. Over.
Give me 5 minutes. Over.
Still no response from the rescue team. We're from our own for now.
Engine restarted. Or on engine.
Okay, helm bring us back on course. Okay, helm bring us back on course. Over.
Hey, Captain. Steering responding. We're moving again. Sea anchors retrieved.
Then updates. This is motor vessel Cloma has gained propulsion. Continuing course with caution. Over.
Okay, good work everyone. Keep a close watch. We're not out of this yet. Again, good work everyone. Keep out a close watch. We're not out of this yet. Over.
Man overboard, man overboard, man overboard. This is there's a man overboard in the port side. I repeat, man overboard, man overboard, man overboard. There's a man overboard on the port side. Over.
Okay, hard port.
Hard port now, sir.
Go.
Okay, man overboard in the port side. Okay, hard port.
Hard port, sir. Hard port now, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Man overboard spotted in the port bow. I repeat, Captain, man overboard spotted in the port bow.
Okay, Roger. Man overboard spotted in the port bow. Okay, stop engine.
Stop it, sir.
forward station, throw the lifebuoy to the victim.
The left boy is to the victim right now.
Copy, sir.